Jim.
Nathan?
I did it.
How?
I just did it. I climbed it.
It's too hard for you.
It wasn't too hard for me. I'm a climber.
If you could do it,
I could.
maybe it was easy.
It's not too hard for me. I don't know if it's too hard for anybody, really. I think these stairs might be a little superfluous, Jim.
But if the stairs are superfluous, then maybe Jim was